This is the fourth of 5 videos where we practice the first 10 lessons of fractions. If you look down here, you can see that we've covered proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. We've also covered how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. And finally, we've looked at how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. So for the first 3 exercises, I want you to name the fraction and then draw the fraction. For the 4th exercise, I want you to change the mixed number into an improper fraction. And finally, I want you to turn the improper fraction into a mixed number. Now you can pause the video, give it a try, and then have a look at the solutions. So our first fraction is 1/8. So let me draw the pizza. There's the center. So with an eighth, what I'm going to do is draw quarters. And how do we draw quarters? We halve it and we halve it again. So let me try to halve this. I'm going to halve this and I'm going to halve it again. So now I've got 4 equal pieces. Now if I'm careful, I can cut each one of these pieces into 2 equal pieces and I'll have 8 in total. So what I'm going to do is from here to here in this quarter, I'm going to look for halfway. It's there. I'm going to draw a line straight across to the center, and now if I carry it on, I can cut this piece as well. Same thing with this one. Look for the middle and go to the center and continue on the straight line. So now I've got 8 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I just want one piece because the numerator or the top number is 1. So I can pick any here. So let me pick this one. So now I have shaded in 1/8 of this pizza. In this question, I have 9 quarters. It's an improper fraction because the numerator or the top number is bigger than the denominator or the bottom number. So let me draw a pizza. I need to cut them into 4 equal pieces or quarters, and I do that by halving it. So I'm going to halve it and halve it again. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, but I need 9. So I'll go get another pizza. And same thing again, I'm going to halve it and halve it again. Now it doesn't matter which way. I'm going to halve it horizontally and then I'm going to halve it vertically. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. But my numerator is 9, so I need 9 pieces. So I need to go back to the pizza shop and get another pizza. And I'm going to halve this and halve it again. And now I need to shade in 9 pieces. So I have 1, 2 whole pizzas and a quarter. So I can say 9 quarters is equivalent to or the same as 2 whole and 1 quarter. 9 quarters is equivalent to 2 and 1 quarter. This number here is 3.5. It's a mixed number because you have a whole part and you have a fraction part. So let me do the whole part first. I need 3 pizzas. 1, 2, 3. There's the centers. and I need all the pizzas. Now I'm going to do the fraction part. There's my pizza. Now I need to cut it into 2 equal pieces because the denominator is 2. So I need to cut it into half. So I have now 2 equal pieces, but I only need 1 because the numerator is 1. Now what I'm going to do with these 3 whole pizzas is I'm going to cut them into halves as well. Down the middle, straight down the middle, and again straight down the middle. So now each one of these pieces is equal. They're all halves. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 halves. So I can say 3½ is equivalent to, or the same value as, 7 halves. With the fourth question, I have 1 4/5. That is a mixed number because you have the whole part and the fraction part. And we need to turn it into an improper fraction. So let me draw the fraction line. And as we did before, the big number times the bottom number, 1 times 5, add the top number, plus 4. So let me do that again. The big number times the bottom number, add the top number, 1 times 5 plus 4. And this 5, which is the denominator here, simply goes there. Now let me try to simplify this, or make it simpler. So there's my fraction line. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 is 9. And this denominator simply goes there, and that's 5. So I can say 1 4/5 is equal to or equivalent to 9/5. So for the fifth question, we have 6/5. This is an improper fraction because the numerator or the top number is bigger than the denominator or the bottom number. And we want to turn it into a mixed number. So we have 6 pieces and we need to put them into groups of 5. So I need to do the 5 times table until I get to 6, but I can't go past 6. So if I did 5, 10, that's too much because I've gone past 6. 5, so that's 1. So I put the equal sign and that's the big number, 1. I've used 5, but I had 6, so I have a remainder of 1. And that remainder goes at the top, fraction line, and this denominator here, this number, simply goes at the bottom. So I can say 6/5 is equivalent to, or the same as, 1 1/5.